right, thanks a lot, Zephaniah, for sending your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So when he described himself, and he said there was a few things that he wanted to manifest into his life. He wanted to manifest his own shrine or temple, and also his own wealth, right? One of the things that he said that basically set him apart from other people is that he has a ability to be well versed in many different topics and has a lot of talents. So it came up with a perfect name that fits all of those traits, and that name is Chijioke. Come on, say that with me. Chijioke. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chi in this context means God. Ji means has or possesses or holds, right? So Ji. Yeah, Ji means to like to have. And Oke means like, it's kind of a general word. It has a few different meanings. But Oke kind of means like the portion of